In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send newsletter emails in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install the right app, choose a template, customize your design, and schedule your newsletter so it reaches the right customers at the right time. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of your admin, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field, type newsletter and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. In the results, look for Shopify messaging and click on it. That will open the app's information page where you can review details and then click to install it. Follow the installation prompts that appear on screen. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken automatically to the Shopify messaging dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner and click the Create Campaign button. This opens a new page showing different email templates you can use. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with categories. Click on Newsletter to filter the templates specifically designed for newsletters. Browse through the options and click on the one you like. A pop-up will open with a larger preview of the template so you can see it in more detail. If you're happy with it, click Select at the bottom right of the pop-up. Now the template editor will open. At the top of the page, you'll see the To field. Click Select Segment beside it and choose which group of people you want to send this newsletter to. For example, you might pick all subscribers, customers who have purchased at least once, or more engaged subscribers who open emails often but haven't made a purchase recently. This helps you target your message effectively. While you're here, edit your subject line and preview text to make them clear and enticing, as these are what your subscribers will see first in their inbox. Scroll down to the newsletter preview area. You can click directly on any section of the email. When you select a section, editing and styling options will appear in the left panel. If it's a text block, you can edit the text directly in the preview, updating your copy to match your brand voice and campaign goals. If you want to delete a section, select it and click the trash icon that appears on the right side. To rearrange content, select a section and use the two vertical dots that appear on the left. Drag and drop the section to your preferred position. If you want to add something new, like an image, product highlight, or text section, click Add Section at the bottom left of the preview and choose from the available layout options. Once you're satisfied with your design and content, look to the top right and click Review. This will show you a final preview of your newsletter email, so you can double-check everything, from images and links to spelling and layout. When everything looks good, click Schedule Send at the top. A pop-up will appear where you can set the date and time for your newsletter to go out. Choose the schedule that best matches your audience's time zone and typical open times, then click Schedule at the bottom right to confirm. That's it. Your newsletter is now set up in Shopify, ready to send automatically at the time you've chosen.